You walk into a room and she notices you the moment you arrive, but it is not for the reason you think. You might have fixed your hair, checked your reflection, and adjusted your shirt, yet she looked at you for a split second and then looked away. Naturally, your mind goes to one place. Was I not attractive enough? Here is the truth. It was never about your face. Most men believe attraction starts with physical looks, but for women, attraction begins with something much deeper. It starts with how you show up. You have likely noticed that some men who don't look perfect still manage to get all the attention. That isn't luck, it is psychology. Women don't just see you, they feel your energy. The first thing they notice is your presence, your body language, and your vibe. This is where most men stumble. They enter a room already seeking approval. Their shoulders are slightly slumped, their eyes are scanning the crowd for validation, and their movements are hesitant. This sends a silent, emotional message that signals a lack of confidence. Women pick up on this instantly, not necessarily on a conscious level, but on a visceral one. Now, consider the opposite. Imagine a man who walks in calm and relaxed. He isn't trying too hard. He isn't looking around nervously to see who is watching him, he simply exists comfortably in his own space. That groundedness is what gets noticed first. Think about two men at a coffee shop. One is constantly on his phone, fidgeting, and adjusting his clothes while looking around for eyes on him. The other is sitting back with slow, focused movements, completely relaxed. Even if they have the exact same physical features, one feels insecure while the other feels grounded. It is clear who she will notice more. Attraction is emotional before it is ever visual. Women are wired to pick up on subtle signals. Your posture, your walking speed, and how you hold eye contact speak louder than your face ever will. If your body language says you are unsure, your looks cannot save you. However, if your body says you are confident, even average looks become magnetic. Real confidence is not about being loud or trying to impress others. It is the ability to be comfortable with yourself without needing external validation. To put this into practice, you must focus on 4 key areas. Fix your posture. Stand straight with your shoulders relaxed. Walk like you have nowhere to rush, because rushing signals anxiety. Control your movements. Stop fidgeting and over-adjusting your clothes. Slow down your physical actions. Slow movements are a universal sign of high confidence. Master eye contact. Do not stare, but hold eye contact for just a second longer than usual before looking away naturally. This creates the tension where attraction lives. Stop seeking approval. Do not scan the room to see who is watching you. When you stop chasing attention, you actually start attracting it. Your emotional state is the foundation of your attraction. If you feel nervous inside, it will eventually leak out. Instead of trying to look confident, focus on actually feeling relaxed. Take a deep breath and slow yourself down. Calmness is far more attractive than nervous excitement. This is why men who barely talk often draw people toward them. They aren't trying to prove anything, which creates an air of mystery, one of the strongest triggers for attraction. The biggest mistake you can make is trying too hard by talking too much or laughing too loudly. Forced energy kills attraction instantly. The shift that changes everything is moving away from the question, how do I impress her? And moving toward the question, am I comfortable being myself right now? Attraction is not a performance, it is a state of being. When you stop trying to be liked, you become naturally likable. When you stop chasing attention, you become the person people notice. The next time you walk into a room, don't worry about your face. Focus on your presence. That is what she sees first, and that is what she feels before anything else.